The United Democratic Party UDP on Wednesday had announced the names of candidates for the by-elections to the 24 MAWPHLANG and 47 RAJABALA Assembly constituencies. While making the official announcement, the president of the UDP, M&ch, informed that the party would be fielding Eugene Lingdok MAWPHLANG for the 24 MAWPHLANG Assembly constituency, while for the 47 RAJABALA Assembly constituency, the party has decided to field sitting MLA of Batabari, Ashahel D. Shira.
Where we had also decided and would like to announce today that our official candidate from the 47 Rajabala constituency is Sri Ashahel Dalbot Shira. He is the sitting MDC from the Batabari.
On the party's candidate to the 13 MAWPHLANG Assembly constituency, M&ch informed that as per suggestions of circle leaders and local party members, the UDP will not field any candidate but instead would support the NPP candidate Panyat Singh's aim for the particular constituency.
As the party at the state level, we have endorsed the decisions taken by the circle level. And we'll also like to announce that we will not be putting any official candidate from the party in the MAWPHLANG constituency. So therefore, the support will be extended to Sri Panyat's aim.